Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Precision Vacuum Sealer machine. A powerful pro vacuum food sealer that boasts an 8-in-1 easy preset system with 4 distinct food modes, including dry, moist, soft, and delicate, all designed to keep your food fresher for longer. This compact silver machine uses enhanced heating wires and a brushless motor, setting it apart from bargain brands that rely on smaller wires and cheaper motors, ensuring reliability backed by a 2-year no-hassle return guarantee and a 5-year warranty. The smart control system can precisely feel and vacuum according to the type of food, making it incredibly versatile for various kitchen needs. One standout feature is its sloping top design, which prevents juices from being drawn out while vacuuming foods like meat, ensuring your vacuum sealer bags are fully utilized. Safety is a top priority, and the POTANE vacuum sealer is ETL certified by nationally recognized test laboratories, guaranteeing compliance with applicable product safety standards. So, if you're looking for a trustworthy machine that combines efficiency, safety, and smart technology, the POTANE VS2690 is a great choice for your kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.